Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Your phone OS and WhatsApp are up to date, and you've made a brief chat backup so nothing is lost. Once done, locate the WhatsApp icon and observe whether your device uses an app library or an app drawer. You'll act on app visibility, not app deletion. Make sure you have screen unlock available and permission to alter home screens. Now move to the first actionable step. Gesture or long press the icon to reveal hiding options. You'll now perform the core hiding actions. On iPhone, long press WhatsApp, choose Remove from Home Screen to keep it in App Library, or use screen time limits to hide it more tightly. On Android, open your launcher settings and toggle Hide Apps, or place WhatsApp inside a less obvious folder and disable shortcuts. Once done, test by swiping to the App Library or searching. Make sure the icon doesn't appear on home pages. If needed, install a trusted launcher. Finish by verifying everything works. Search to open WhatsApp, send a test message, and confirm notifications arrive. If notifications stop, make sure background app refresh, app battery exclusions, and notification permissions are enabled. Hiding shouldn't block background processes. If the app reappears or misbehaves, clear the launcher cache, restart the phone, or undo the hide option and try a different method. The key tip: when things go wrong, revert the last change and retest step by step to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.